Good afternoon, everybody. It's a beautiful Friday today. Per usual, the weather right now in November, end of November, about to be December, is fantastic. It's beautiful. I love being out in the sun. If it's the summertime, I detest being in the sun. So, this is my 2022 SSR Motorsports 125cc pit bike. This is the big wheel version, so it has the 17-inch in the front and it has the 14-inch in the rear. This is a 4-speed manual. It has 4 up clutch. Now, I did replace a couple things. I replaced the engine oil, the spark plug. I'm about to replace the air filter because it looks terrible, as you can see. I don't want to sell it to anybody like that. I cleaned up and lubricated the chain. I just replaced the rear tire tube with the upgraded heavy duty one. Oh, I forgot to mention, this has the upgraded carburetor, the upgraded cheap Chinese carburetor there, and it runs excellent. You know, I have about 10 hours of ride time on this. I rarely use it, and that is exactly why I'm getting rid of it and selling it, or hoping to sell it, because I don't use it, so my loss can be somebody else's gain. She's garage kept right here in the garage, right? She does take up a lot of space, but out here where I live, there's a lot of dirt and debris and dust, and we just don't want it to get dirty. So let's fire it up. Cold start. We're gonna turn the choke on. This is a kickstart bike. Let's see if she'll fire up here. Oh wait, I might have the fuel off. Sorry, my dogs are going crazy over there. See if I have the fuel on. So fuel is in the off position, so we're gonna go ahead and turn the fuel on. All right, let's see what we got here. She runs good. She doesn't skip a beat. This is a 1-cylinder, 1-piston right here. This is a 4-stroke, runs on 91 or 93 octane. Hey, no te salgas, ya te dije. Ven, no te andes saliendo del cerco, okay? Anyways, back to my motorcycle after my dogs really interrupted. She runs cherry. Well, she is for sale. You guys can email me or reach out in the comments. Hit me up. Oh, I also replaced the fuel filter, and I upgraded the spark plug because it had, I don't know what it had in it, but I put in a NGK spark plug, so it should be burning up real good now. That's my motorcycle, and then this is how you turn it off. Bam. Thanks for watching.